So, dear students, in our previous class, we have already introduced that what are negative numbers, okay? What are negative numbers and why we need negative numbers. Now, in today's class, I am going to discuss with you all that why we need it so much and where we use negative numbers in our life. As you all know, we are already knowing when we have studied the chapter whole number, we were studying the number line, okay? And on number line, you people have already studied that 0 is the last number, or you can call it 0 is the beginning number, or you can call it the 0 is the first number. And after that, we studied all the numbers are on right side. All the whole numbers are which are greater than 0 are all the numbers are on right hand side. But we never knew that there is a concept behind the back side of 0 also. Back side means left side. So remember, when we have started studying negative numbers, we have given the place on number line to negative number that was left place, because right side place was already taken by positive numbers, that was whole numbers. Okay, so right side बेटा पहले से occupied था, तो इन लोगों ने अपनी प्लेस नहीं दी, so लेफ्ट वालों ने अपनी प्लेस दे दी. नाउ लेफ्ट वालों ने कौन सी प्लेस दे दी? लेफ्ट वालों ने दे दी नेगेटिव को प्लेस, एंड राइट साइड पहले से प्लेसेस दी गई थी, दैट वाज पॉजिटिव के लिए, and 0 was already there in between. 0 was exactly on between now, because 0 was neutral. Sometimes you all are finding at your home, suppose you and you have your sister, you have your brother, okay, you are brother and sister of the same age group and you both are fighting too much. ठीक है, भाई ने तुमको मारा, तुमने भाई को मारा, दोनों एक दूसरे को खूब मारे, बाल आल पकड़ के एकदम लड़ाई हो गई. ठीक है, और अब दोनों लड़ झगड़ करके पहुंचे मम्मी के पास. अब मम्मी को बोले मम्मी बताओ कौन सही था, मम्मी आप इसको मारो, बहन बोल रही भैया आप इसको मारो. ठीक है, अब दोनों के दोनों लड़ रहे हैं, मम्मी को बोले मम्मी फैसला करिए लड़ाई में जीतेगा कौन, या दोनों में से किसकी गलती थी. अब मम्मी तो बेचारी परेशान, क्योंकि मम्मी तो भैया को भी प्यार करती है, मम्मी तो तुमको भी प्यार करती है. सो मम्मी क्या करती है उस केस में? मम्मी बन जाती है न्यूट्रल, दोनों सही हो या तो दोनों ही गलत हो, और दोनों को एक झापड़ लगा देती है. तो या तो दोनों को बराबरी से प्यार करती है और या तो दोनों को ही डांट देती है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल, क्योंकि मम्मी ना भाई को डांट सकती ज्यादा, ना भाई आपको डांट सकती, क्योंकि मम्मी तो दोनों को प्यार करती. तो मम्मी यहाँ पर बन गई न्यूट्रल. ठीक है, और एक भाई जो आपका लड़ रहा था उसको बना दो आप नेगेटिव, अपने आप को बना दो आप पॉजिटिव. तो ये बन गई नंबर लाइन. इस नंबर लाइन में मम्मी हो गई बीच में न्यूट्रल, not in the side of positive, not in the side of negative, neutral. We call it neutral. So neutral is 0, which is always in between, which is always in between, not in the side of negative, not in the side of positive. 0 will always come in between in number line. Now right side, suppose same thing, आपके घर में 2 रूम्स है, एक रूम पहले से प्री डिसाइडेड है कि आपके भाई का रूम है. ठीक है, अब बहन आई तो बहन राइट साइड का रूम नहीं ले सकती ना, क्योंकि वो पहले से भाई का रूम है. सो इट विल बी नाउ सिस्टर विल गेट अनदर डिफरेंट रूम, अदरवाइज दे विल स्टार्ट फाइटिंग. सो सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ नंबर लाइन. राइट साइड वाज ऑलरेडी टेकन बाय द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, दैट वाज होल नंबर्स व्हिच वी वर ऑलरेडी नोइंग इट, बट लेफ्ट वाज एम्प्टी. Left was empty earlier, so now left side is also included and given to the negative numbers. अब हमारे पास नंबर लाइन जो बनकर तैयार हुई, उस नंबर लाइन में राइट साइड में you will have positive, left side में you will have negative, और 0 will be always in between, that will be not in negative, not in positive. 0 will always be neutral, not positive, not negative. Now I am just so right now we are doing the chapter integers, and now students start making the notes. In earlier concepts, I have told you what are natural numbers. So I am representing this natural number by this sign. This is natural numbers, and you are knowing natural number which we studied was counting number. Counting number started from 1 and goes till 9. This we have already studied. So I am representing natural number by this sign. Okay. After natural number, we studied the concept of zero. Okay, we have included zero into it. So zero ke liye I am representing this sign, circle. Okay, because zero is looking like a circle. So I am just representing by the sign of circle only to zero. Now we have taken zero also. After that, we also studied the whole numbers. Zero को हमने include किया इसमें, and then I am representing this sign for whole numbers, which we studied. And whole numbers included all the numbers from starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The list was so longer that it was infinite number of whole numbers which we have studied. Okay, I am only writing few of them, but we studied infinite whole numbers. Now, the last concept which I have just now told you few days back, that the concept of negative numbers. Remember why we need negative numbers? I told you. So now we will have some negative number also. So I am writing negative numbers. Negative number will be of each one of them, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. The list is also long, but I'm not writing all the negative numbers. I am writing few of them. Now, how will you identify negative and positive? Remember, negative numbers will always have the sign negative in front of them. Negative numbers will always have the sign of negative in front of them. Okay, but positive के लिए it is not necessary to have the sign of negative, positive. Okay, अगर आप simply 2 भी लिख देते हो ना, it means it is positive. If you are writing 5, it is positive. If it is you are writing, if you are writing +5, that is also positive 5 only. But if you write the sign of positive, that is fine. If you don't write the sign of positive, that is also correct. It will also be considered as positive only. Okay? Suppose, remember, if you are writing with positive sign, it is fine. If you don't write positive sign, that means also the number is positive only. Okay? But for negative, it is compulsory to mention the sign of negative in front of them. Okay? So they are called negative numbers. So I am writing here negative numbers. अब now we are taking negative numbers को हम किस sign से represent करें? I am representing with the sign of, suppose कुछ और ले लेते हैं, this one, different cloud sign. ठीक है, this is the cloud sign. So now I can see, you all can see natural number 0, the sign of this, whole number, this triangle I am showing, and negative number I am showing by the cloud. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, then where is integer now? So beta, remember, integer means combination of these all. In integer, these all the things comes. Now you can represent by this. सबसे पहले you have taken this one, natural. Natural will also come inside of integer. Then this 0 will also come inside the integer only. Whole number will also come in integer only. And this negative number will also come in integer only. It means in integer, natural number also comes, 0 also comes, this whole number also comes, and negative number also comes. It means integer is the combination or the collection of the numbers which are natural, 0, whole number, and negative number also. So the definition I am going to tell you. First you see the diagram and draw the diagram, and then I am writing the definition of integer in front of you all. हम number line में we are going to discuss the ordering on number line. ठीक है, ordering the numbers, like you are standing on a prayer line and you order yourself. सबसे पहले छोटा बच्चा खड़ा होता है, फिर थोड़ा बड़ा, फिर थोड़ा बड़ा, फिर थोड़ा बड़ा, like that. The same we will do it like that here also on number line. And I remember one thing, if once you understand this number line properly, you will understand the whole concept of integer. All of you, please draw the number line along with me. सबसे पहले बेटा, exactly in middle, make 0. Exactly in middle, make 0. And both the side you make arrowheads. Both the side you make arrowheads. Because you are talking about a line, number line. So line means which can be extended in both the direction, because you are knowing numbers are unlimited. Numbers are endless. So that is why our line is also endless. Okay? You can extend the line as per your copy. If your copy is longer, you can have more bigger number line. If your copy is shorter, you can have little shorter line according to your copy. Okay. Now always remember, right side is given to the positive number, as I have already told you. The right side is given to the positive number. So I am writing here right side positive numbers, or you can call it positive integers, because now we are studying integers. So I am writing here positive integers. And the left side is given to negative integers. So I am writing here negative integers. Okay? Positive on the right hand side, negative on the left hand side. Now, as you all know, whole numbers हमने पहले से पढ़े हुए थे, तो positive side we already know. Positive side we already know, that means start from 1 and give the fixed distance. Always remember, give the fixed distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm writing till 8 because I have the space till 8. If you have the more space, you can also continue the more number into it. Okay. Now move on to the negative side. Now remember beta, negative side के लिए भी हम ऐसे ही बढ़ेंगे. कैसे बढ़ेंगे? Look at here. सबसे पहले -1. अब हम इधर से बढ़ना चालू करेंगे. हम ऐसे नहीं बढ़ेंगे उल्टा. हम यहीं से बढ़ेंगे क्योंकि हम 0 के धीरे धीरे पीछे जाएंगे. 0 के पीछे धीरे धीरे जाएंगे. Now look at here बेटा. सबसे पहले हम गए -1 के पास, फिर हम और पीछे गए, दैट इज -2. अब हम और पीछे गए -3, और पीछे गए ना -4, नाउ -5, नाउ -6, नाउ -7, and the same is here -8. I'm writing it here till -8 because I don't have much space. So -8 I am taking till negative side, and a positive side also I'm taking till +8. So this is all about negative and positive number. Now remember, I have drawn it till 8, but if you have a space, you can continue as number you want. It's not necessary that I am making till 8, so you also make it till 8. Okay, you can have n number of numbers which you want to draw it. So students, remember, negative and positive are drawn on number line. And remember, when you draw number line, you should always focus that you will always begin positive number. तो आपको पता था कैसे draw करते हैं. Negative के लिए you should always remember you will start right from 0. तुरंत 0 से you will start. 0 के बाद -1, then -2, then -3, then -4, then -5, then -6, like that. So don't start from here. Start from here. 0 से तुरंत चालू करना बेटा. ठीक है? Because you will start writing like this. So start exactly from 0. Not left side से start नहीं करिएगा. You will always begin from 0. Now